Today, I want to talk about something that is very valuable for you: kindness. Being kind and empathetic can make a huge difference in the world. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about empathy. Empathy is about understanding someone else's feelings and perspectives. When we take the time to connect with others on a deeper level, we build stronger relationships and create a more compassionate world. So the next time you're in conversation, really take the time to listen and understand where others are coming from. Next, let's focus on small acts of kindness. These little gestures can make a big difference in someone's day. It could be as simple as holding the door open for someone or giving a compliment to a stranger. Remember that time you were complimented in public and you felt like a rock star? These acts of kindness may seem small, but they do make a big impact. Kindness is contagious, and it can bring positivity and happiness to our surroundings. Lastly, I want to encourage you to be the change you want to see in the world. By being kind and empathetic, we can create a ripple effect of positivity in our communities and beyond. So let's all take the time to show empathy and kindness to those around us. Remember, even the smallest acts of kindness can make a huge impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos on how to train to live on purpose every day.